So let's fix your PrizePicks withdrawal fade not working. So for this one right here, this is going to be the website. So before you log in, click on the three dots of your browser. We're going to troubleshoot your browser first. So upper left corner, click on that one right there, looking for settings. Now once you're going to be right here, simply type in cookies. Once you have cookies right there, looking for third-party cookies here, looking for see all site data and permissions. Once you click on the search bar right there, type in PrizePicks. You're going to have this one right here. Now, to reset your cookies on the PrizePick website, you just have to delete everything here. And click on delete right there. Now, just reload that one and try logging in and basically withdraw. And I assure you the problem will now be resolved. So if the problem still persists, just double check your banking information. You might type in a wrong detail or a typo, and that won't work for withdrawal. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.